Hello, everyone. Today I wanted to share some financial tips for things that I do and use. And the first thing I recommend is, regardless of your age, to open up a Roth IRA or a Roth individual retirement account. That is an account where you can put up to 6,000 or 6,500, depending on age and location, per year. You can contribute. All that money is taxed when you put it in, and then when you would like to withdraw your money after 59 and a half years old, you can withdraw as much money as is in the account without paying additional taxes. Unlike an individual retirement account, IRA, where all of the money you put in is not taxed, and then when you withdraw your funds, you're going to be taxed on whatever amount is there when you are of retirement age. Another thing that I recommend is a mutual fund. And a mutual fund can be for many different companies: Fidelity, Vanguard, Edward Jones, etc., Merrill Lynch. And basically what the mutual fund is many different investors, just regular people like us, putting small amounts of money together, and with that money, different stocks are purchased. So, for example, if you want to go and buy an individual stock for a major tech company, it might cost you $400, $500. But instead of doing that, work if you're working with a company or doing your own investing, you join a mutual fund, so you don't own a share of the stock. You own a small portion of one individual stock for all different companies. So if one company is not doing well, like Best Buy is not doing well, then you have other stocks and the other ones all balance out. So essentially, unless we're in a bear market and the economy's not doing well, like right now, then the stocks are going to go down. My stocks have gone down. Everybody's stocks go down. When we're in the bull market, then the stocks will go up. Like February 2020 was one of the highest that I've seen since I started investing, and I had 28.6% return in 1 month. But that is probably not going to happen unless economic reforms. But basically, the mutual fund, you can do medium risk or medium to high risk. And basically, with the mutual fund and any other investment, you want to make sure that's money that's not from your savings, not from money that you've earned, that you can put into the stock market. And if your stocks do go down, it's not going to be something you have to withdraw and lose any profit that you might have, or even lose money from the initial investment. You want to let the fund sit for 5 to 10 years at least, watch the market go up, watch the market go down, and eventually that helps to build wealth over time.